my channel. I'm Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle 21. I'm so happy that you're here today. I just want to say thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell because that really helps me out. I'm trying to grow my followers. So at least 1,000 subscribers. I'm a small new channel. Every single like and subscribe helps me. And of course, watch my videos. If there's a specific wig that you want me to review or try on, let me know. Today we're gonna be installing and reviewing Bobbi Boss's Rose, color number 4. She has an HD lace and she has a deep part. So we'll go into it now. Let's get started. Okay, so now that you saw the install and me putting it on and everything like that, I do want to talk to you about my pros and cons. So I'm gonna start off with the cons so that way we can end on a positive note. The first one would be that, okay, yes, it goes from ear to ear lace like I said on the stock card, but the combs were way too much on the end. So what happens? It was all up in the way. Like basically when I had this glued down with my Got2b glue, the construction of the cap, because the comb is so fat right here, like made it so that it would go over my ear. And if I try to take out my ear, what you saw in the video, it looked funny. So I didn't want to cut into it because then I would be cutting into the construction of the cap, and I don't want to make my wig loose or anything like that. I do want that possibility of using it glueless if I'd like to. So I didn't do that. So what I did was I unstuck it, right? And then I just kind of put it more up. And so what does that mean? That means that I have to take out leave out. You know, a little bit of side hair or whatever. Well, what if my hair was red or blonde or something, and I didn't like that look of showing that other color hair? You know, that would be kind of like an issue. So that was a con for me. Another con is the shine is a little bit too much. I know that there's ways around that, you know, like we could put baby powder, for example, on it, and it could take the shine out. So I'm gonna have to do that. The shine is a bit much, and so, you know, when it's too shiny, it looks too synthetic-y. Now, this is a human hair blend wig. I'm gonna go into the pros about it now. So pros is that it has a really good feel. It's a nice texture. It is more on the silky side, but it doesn't go and tangle up like that. I could tell that I'm gonna be able to wear this wig quite a few times and it's gonna still look good. This hair is actually really close to my natural hair. This isn't a different color though, like this is color 4. It is more of like a chocolate brown. My hair color is darker than that. I wanted to see it against my skin tone and I like it. And this still blends in with my natural hair anyway. So it all worked out. I think the length is good because it's not too long, but it is long. And then the density of it is a natural density. It's lightweight. So if you're looking for a voluminous look, this is not it. This is more of like a natural density, like a natural kind of straight look with a slight little wave to it. The baby hairs came out really good with this wig. They're gonna stay and everything, so that's nice. And it has a nice deep part. Now I know my part is not straight, okay, but I feel like that makes it look a little bit more natural on me, especially since it's kind of shiny. And then I forgot one more con, and I'm so sorry that I'm kind of saying that at the end because I really want to end with positives, but I have to throw it in there because I can't just leave y'all like that. So I felt like there was barely any space to pluck. It was like minimal. And it's super dense here. So Bobby Boss, if you're listening, that's definitely one thing that you guys can add to this wig is more plucking space or going in more and actually making it a much more plucked hairline because it is way too dense, which adds to the wiggy look. Hello, look at these baby hairs though, like, come on now. They look good, okay. I am happy with it. You know, I am gonna wear her basically. I will have like that thing in the back of my head like, looks wiggy, looks wiggy, looks wiggy, looks wiggy. So I'll probably try like cute little hairstyles with it, maybe like 2 ponytails or something like that, which I feel just kind of like, I don't know, enhances the look a little bit. It makes it look a little less wiggy because it's like your attention isn't all here, you know, how's the hair falling? It kind of brings it away. So that might be like something, you know, you guys can do too if you get this wig. But anyways, I really appreciate you joining my channel and watching my videos. Please do like, subscribe, and also turn on that notification button. We'll continue to watch my videos. You don't know how much I love you. Like, I'm so happy that you're here. You can talk to me, I can talk to you back, and that's through my comments. So let me know what you think about this wig. Do you agree with my pros and cons? Do you have a different experience? Maybe have you tried this wig in another color? Is there another kind of style that you would like for me to try, or is there a particular wig or maybe a particular color you're curious about and you want me to do a review on that? Like, let me know, talk to me about what you like, you don't like, you know, just, I'm here, just talk to me, ask me questions. I'm just a regular girl that's into hair and into wigs, and one day I'll share my story about that. I'm also gonna get into like plus size fashion. Anyway, again, my name is Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle, and I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day or night, whatever it is for you, and much love.